Hi, what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Rido Hassan. My family member call me Rido. Yeah, you may call Rido. And what's your name?
Yeah, my name is Ashraful Islam Ashek, and all of my family member neighbors call me Ashraful. You may call me Ashraful.
Yeah, where are you from, Ashraf?
I am from Kumilla, and right now I am living in Mohammedpur. And where are you come from?
Hey, Ashraful. I'm also Kumilla. Do you know about what is Kumilla? I just explained it. Kumilla is situated in Dhaka Chattogram center of highway, and it is have a lot of historical place as well as heritage also. In 1917, its name was Tripura, but after liberation, its name is Kumilla, and famous for their food, festivals, and their another activities. Hey Ashraful, do you know about Kumilla very in any historical place?
Yes, I know lots of Kumilla historical place like Kumilla Shalban Bihar, Kumilla Moilamoti Hill, Kumilla Moinamoti Museum. You have any kind of experience to visit something museum or something exciting?
Yeah, I know about Kumilla World. Here is a lot of cleanness area, and most of the people want to visit this area because their natural beauty, their environment is too good. If you ever try to visit this site, it will be very pleasure for you. Do you know about Kumilla famous clothes? It may be lot of years ago it is created, but right now maybe it is just love, and its name is Khadder Kapor, Muslim Kapor.
I have no about good idea, but I heard my father that once upon a time Kumilla is famous for their Khadder Kapor and their history, and I have no idea about Kumilla. You tell me more than about the Kumilla Khadder Kapor, like this kind of shop and anything. Ridoy, can you tell me any kind of good institution in Kumilla have?
Why not? Kumilla has a lot of educational institute, and our students are very brilliant. Before week, their ACC result published, and here Kumilla students are going so well, and there are so many education students like Kumilla Victoria College, Kumilla Shonabangla College, and Kumilla Shika Board, as well as Kumilla Cadet College. So many students here, and their students are so brilliant, and they are so punctual as well as sincere their study, because they always try to be a good person as well as a responsible person, and they always try to want to be successful in their life as a responsible person.
Hey Ridoy, are you going to stay your whole life in Kumilla?
Why not? Kumilla is environment, their educational environment as well as their study purpose is so good. That's why I always try to stay here, and you will be happy to hear that maybe Kumilla will be a division within 1 or 2 months later. That is a very good thing for us, and I will stay here before death of my life because I love this environment, educational purpose so much.
Thank you, Ridoy, for your conversation.
Yeah, thank you very much for giving me some time. Okay, thank you.
Thank
See
you.
you later.
Okay.